I have to go pee.
All aboard, all aboard, all aboard to the SS Star. Fatties to the left and witches to the right.
I don't want to be seated next to a fat cat.
Well, you know what? No choice, Witchy. There's only 2 seats left, and we have 1 minute to spare. You know, I'm glad you changed your mind. I know you love this trip. It's a imaginary. And there are no dogs to bother you.
Nice day for a trip out in the salty air. Wind, slobber, buggers flying everywhere. Yum, yum, yum. Cat must bother cat.
Oh, they love each other so much. Oh my God.
Great. A slobbery dog, a loud captain, and an annoying dog.
Great. A slobbery dog, a loud captain, and a fat cat.
Here we go. And that is the end. Meow, meow.
Dun, dun, dun. Boo, boo.